me, you know, look so. Me don't understand. Me don't understand at all. Why somebody would have want to tell a promoter, me not do the show with her. If she book for the show, me not do it. Why? What could have caused that? You scared? Are you intimidated? Or what? Everybody have them own style. Everybody can pull them own crowd. Everybody can do them own thing. But some people just don't like, and when other people get a little shine, other people get a little break. And you must understand, say, you cannot stop what is ordained for somebody else. You understand me? I say, well, God have cut out for somebody else. You see, when Master God, my God, when me serve, have cut out for angel, no can't stop that. It's the same door when a child lock for me, and me same one for open back the door for uno. You understand me? I say? So if you stop and look at dirty ways and look at bad mind confessions because it now go nowhere. And you feel like you're not happy. You might have the world, the uno might have the world, but you're going to don't happy because you're so dirty and black and conspicuous. So you can't at peace. Leave people alone, make them get them blessing, make them climb up the ladder, make them go on with them, make them soar to higher heights. Leave people alone and stop black people blessing. And you can't stop somebody else shine. Today for you, tomorrow for somebody else. And that may I tell you. You understand? Look into yourself, look into your life and say you do something wrong. Because the same woman, me we are trying to stop, and me same one for him come back around, come help you. I saw God work. I give thanks, I give thanks. Enjoy life to the fullest. Doing this so long, still feel like the newest. The ups and downs, the ins and outs. I will survive. I am surviving. The struggle, the pressure never break me. So sometimes I'm sweet like sugar.